Welcome to today's Montessori lesson. In this video, we'll explore the Montessori Bell Activity for distinguishing between two pitches, high and low. This sensorial exercise is designed to refine the child's auditory sense. It also prepares the child for future work in reading and writing by strengthening careful listening skills. To demonstrate, we'll watch the guide present this lesson. For this activity, you'll need two bells, either from a Montessori bell set or any handbells you may have at home, a mallet and a damper. Today I'm going to show you how to listen very carefully to two bells. I will strike this bell. Listen. Now I will strike this bell. Listen. These two bells are not the same. One is high and one is low. In Montessori, this work can later be extended using a 3-period lesson. This is high. This is low. Then, show me high. Show me low. Finally, what is this? Allowing the child to demonstrate mastery of the vocabulary and the sounds. When we practice listening like this, we are training our ears. Listening carefully helps us in many ways, especially when we learn the sounds of letters and words. This Montessori Bell Activity combines sensorial exploration with early preparation for language work. By distinguishing high and low, children develop concentration, auditory discrimination, and a joyful awareness of sound. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you'll try this activity at home or in your classroom.